See you again. Thank you very much for your coming us here. And thank you.
지갑게 정부들이 겐지들의 영지, 저들의
Taşıdılar kundun.
Konskemgun Chumchoki, Sumju Tudenki Shunde Zegu Kundun Zover Slovakia, Kegabki Sinzin Surba Andrish Kiskatang, Estonia Trezo Tumi Kuzab Sojungi Netiba Yuku Gallery Chogi Ube, Estonia Trezo Tumi Pedon Kapjurwa Ka Chigla Jeka Zebekap, Tering Sumju Tudenki Nimutang Tuile, Deve Loyu Ka Chig Tu Tensu Zete, Jana Kongchen Tangi Pe Nasub Tongju Reba Kya Yogyang Nasub Tang Tu Meje Kane Zetu.
Sumju Tudenki, Kazu Pagazu. 가서 물을 쏘지. 근데 뭐냐 전에 개비 제법 제거래. 애는 나에 대해 체크하고 싶으신. 엔다. 합시셔다 개민도스. 더 놀리거든 배야 뭐도 실제 민도스는 애는 배야 타져버리네. 놀리거든 소 태용체 심도 쪼서. 애는 벽이 사실 싸우고도 봐 개셔. 추포조대 리드선에 내 따층에 산에게 정습되게 다 해서 되는 뭐도 시기 말이스 다 해서 즉 신어서 인제 내 따디 카파 두르시 캐사파 카대제 애들 말을 시켜서 해서도 소주 싸고도 봐 괜히 애네 내가리야도 슬레베 커도라 야 답에 재미지 안에 탈소 사벌시야 간하르지 좀 재미 공쟁이 지금 넉수다야 저것때문에 코투요 말이
Shungde Gundun Nabe Konskemgun Chumchogi Jeka Dubsam Zego to Nyamshugi Pedon La Kyabgyurngose Na Yujing Gundun Zubu Slovakia Kekabgi Sinzin Surba Andrish Kiskatang Estonia Trezo Tumi Kuzab Sochungi Netiba Yugu Galrecho Namnyene Sargo Serashi Gyangsong Kapter Slovakia Kekabgi Sinzin Surbe Konskemgun Chumchodang Kobal Hendu Yube Barshi Chedunki Kongranigi Mise Gyurwachimbi Gyurim Tang Pedon La Tunang Lepsu Deju Kap Longo Sumju Kondo Kushab Kongne Benzu Chigi Nangtu Konskemgun Chumchogi Zebe Chagdebji Lobiche Semgu Hajan Tepte Chizu Kong Yute Sinzin Tu Langche Mimang La Pen To Tubi Yobatang Gumukanyi Cho Yute Tende Shutubayan Chungsong War Tsorwa Gabu Chungshe Deju Ki Kapter Konsa Chonne Kushab Kongi Zube Chibe Ketsa Sobar Shen Na yobar yude tugunamla kadin chibu imba dejonang song. Tishin pyogi nedun tang loyu kor shedo chungsong war teni ngweden shik yinshin, zamling yong la pyogi nedun kor she kogyu rongde tang, lakbar pyominambe sosu kenor tang maji war kogyu tengu nang song.
We have to speak loudly what's going on. We have to help all world to recognize what's going on. And please, that's my message for all Tibetans. Stay true with your values.
From my side, one thing more, yes, His Holiness has visited Estonia for 3 times.
Tishin Yugu Gallery Cho ne Jinor Konskem Kunjum Cho, Estonia Kekab Nadu Teng Sumsam Chibjur Zenyon Yobatang, Chibjur Teta Tuning Dembashik Yinshin, Labar Chilojidon Kubja Kubjukoji Lor Kumbukani Cho, Kuitere Peba Teni, Yu Teni Ursu Marbu Ringlune Rangzen Tobe Dugapshik Yimbar Tenso Tang Del, Tering Jemeo Gap Konsa Cho Treju to Pebgap, Lasar Sheshobe Loyu Te Sumbar Sem Gyobuchungshi Dejun.
And today when we met with His Holiness, personally I was 5th time I met with His Holiness, he told one very sad episode about when he left Lhasa and talked about last glance to Lhasa. When he had to escape to India from Lhasa.
Mase kuyu yangsi gi nedun tang dene tibur lindep tu Estonia trezo tumi yugu kalrir choki Estonia trezo gi ngwene kuyu tungar gi nimu tang tab duine yongzha gi chagdam shik be yu yingor sungwa mase Slovakia kekab gi sinzin surba chone kyang konskam gunshim chone kuyu yangsi tishin kanana member rangwa lungbe na chongyu gaze ze yobatang zamling na pedun la kyabyur nangen soba tiksu ka mangbo yobartin tede keji uti nambe centa durup gi should
be the worldwide statement. So I think there should be one strong organization, and all of us leaders. Dalai Lama His Holiness has so many friends, so many advocates. Even you don't know in Tibet how many people love him around the world. me when I was visiting, for example, Norway and other countries. Once I mentioned that I met personally His Holiness, everyone, wow, that's just something. So I think that there should be a statement and the strong organization, I don't know now the name, there are many fighting for Tibet, and making a statement and asking us for leaders of the world to sign it, and I think that we would be more than happy to sign it.